This video is created for our customer having problem about no viewing in their CCTV system. First, check of how many camera has no view. Check the power supply of your DVR if it is properly connected. Make sure that the on and off button of your DVR is turned on. Take note of not all of DVR brand has this kind of button at the back, including Dawa, Hikvision, TVT. Check the connector in the plug of power supply of the camera if it is properly connected. Check the connectors from the camera to DVR if it is properly connected. This video is created by Vinculum Technology Enterprise. For inquiries, you can just call us in our contact number below. Thank you for watching our tutorial video.